Good morning. So you had an accident this morning, huh? Gotta clean the bed, clean the baby, clean everything. Let's go change you. Happy Vlogmas day 16. 17. I don't know. Whatever. You guys see the title. Good morning, guys. So we're making our coffee. The baby has his toothbrush and his milk. He's obsessed with his toothbrush. We're having eggnog again in our coffee. And yes, it's a solo morning for Mama and baby. You want to put your milk in my coffee? That's so sweet. It's Papa that taught you that, huh? Thank you. For you. So yes, we're making our coffee. We're gonna go to daycare very early because I need to get to a meeting for 10, so we can pick you up early. We can pick up the baby earlier. And that's it. Give me your toothbrush. Thank you. No, you have your birthday. Lige. So since I'm alone with the baby, I already read a little bit in my bed. Mastery of Love. I'm gonna try to read right now while we have coffee and milk. Sometimes it works. But we're gonna read it Supernatural. Mais non, on mange, on prend le lega. Hey guys, so I'm gonna make my Vitamix Sarah's day. So she has an app called Sunny. She has banana pancakes on her website. You can get the recipe. Super simple. We're gonna use almond flour, bananas, eggs, chia seeds. Healthy, fun way to get pancakes because that's my eternal craving since my pregnancy. It's snowing! C'est beau, huh? I have some everywhere. Wow, it's so pretty! You like it? I love it. I live in the right country because I love this so much. I love this temperature so much. I love snow. You too, baby? C'est beau, huh? C'est beau? So, it is making me run a little bit late. Even if I planned like 30 minutes leeway, I'm still a little tight for a meeting. Gonna advise the person in case I have a little 5 minutes late, just so they know. And we are on our way to daycare. Wow. Having way too much fun this morning, jamming out, getting to the office right now. Mommy failed this morning. My snow pants, I have 2 pairs of snow pants for the baby. They're both in his dad's car, I think, and I was sure one was at daycare, so I didn't think of it. poor thing, he can't play outside with his friends. Well, anyways, they were going in soon, but I'm still sad because I wanted him to play outside. So I feel bad, but whatever. We had fun. We jammed out with baby, then we jammed out alone. The radio kept playing all my favorite songs, so I'm super pumped, having fun. I need to turn off these flashers. And oh my god, it's so pretty, but people have to be careful. It's so slippery. I don't even know if they realize. Like, I just got out of my car to see if I'm well parked, and I looked at the street, and I'm like on Atwater, and it's like the slush compacted so much with it's because like snowy rain, like rain snow. It's like melting, and it's making like not ice directly, like black ice, but like people are passing over, it's smushing it down, and it's making like ice, I feel like. So people need to be careful. Oh la la. There's no grip, like you just have to be slower. I know what they're doing. And you gotta get my reading right now, and I'm super pumped up. Take time for yourself sometimes in your car, sing it out, belt it out, have fun. It's a great time. Okay, so we did brunch, coffee, spontaneous meetings. After a meeting, going back to another meeting right now. That's that. Okay, so we are home. Let's put you here. So I'm trying to take off my boots. We just got home. So I was out and about for meetings. And I came home. Usually I would like just go and get the baby, but I came home before so I can chill 2 seconds because I'm solo parenting tonight till tomorrow and last night. And last night we had a great night, so thank God. That's why I had happy dances this morning. Like he woke up, but he didn't fully wake up, which is a win. Meaning he woke up at 11, had a fit. Calmed him down. He went back down. Don't know what was up, but I gave him a bit of milk, cuddled him. He went back down to bed, and then he also woke up again at 2:30. But that happens since a long time now, and sometimes he skips it, and I'm so happy, but it happens a lot. And he's able to settle himself, so that's good. So last night he actually settled himself, so he went back down, which is great, and we slept so well. I'm so grateful. Now I'm home to chill a bit because, like I said, I'm gonna be alone tonight, and I'll chill when he goes to bed, but I wanted to come home and just decompress a little bit. It's been a busy week. I want to give myself these little times that I can, even if it's just like a 30 minutes here and there sometimes, to have a breather. That's what we're doing. And I'll maybe have an opportunity to like organize a couple of things, because maybe so that if I like clean a bit now and organize a bit of things that I wanted to do, like there's a couple things that I really need to tend to in the home. If I get to do that now, that means that when he goes down, I can actually be a vegetable like I am anyways. But there's like things like just like micro spaces that I want to declutter in advance for Christmas coming up and just people coming over, like my partner's desk. It's horrible. And I want to fix these frames. Like they all fell down, like what the heck, and they're not properly installed, like whatever. They're supposed to be inside of the white frame. I don't know who put them like that, but whatever. My plants, and then maybe put away, or just put all together the Christmas stuff and the tree. I need to light the tree. So I either light it today or I wait for my partner to get back and help me light it. Whatever. This is what I'm dealing with. And if not, I'm just gonna be a vegetable, and who cares? And things won't get done. And that happens too. Oh, I should show you my bump. It's so big. It's like getting bigger by the day. Oh, wow. Like, oh my God, I have stretch marks here. They're worse than I thought. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, I have energy. I'm not falling asleep, so I'm gonna do my lights because I can't guarantee I'll have energy later. I need to go get little boots for the baby-rooney as well. My ears are such a weird color today. They're different than usual. They change. What's okay? Please, someone speaks English here knows what that term is. Like in French, we say tu as les yeux pairs, P-A-I-R, which means that your eyes are blue and they change hues depending on things like what you're wearing, the weather, like whatever. I don't even know the science behind it. And it literally says this on my license. But then when it comes to English, I've never found that term in English, and it's like it doesn't exist. I don't know. I'm confused. So I'm popping on a YouTube video because I love watching Vlogmas. So we're gonna watch Josie's Vlogmas. Oh wait. And I love Anna Bay. Oh, this is her training she did, but I already have my happily ever after. So Anna Bay is like elegance coach on YouTube. I love her so much, and she was gonna post a 1-hour video that she kept teasing on Instagram, and I just saw her name, so I clicked on it. But the video is how to get your happily ever after. I'll still watch because that could be very interesting for like relationship wise, but I already have my happily ever after. If she talks about relationships, that would be really interesting, like how to maintain a happy relationship and how her thoughts on that. She's just really cool. She's like an elegance coach, kind of for me like mindset lifestyle coach. So yes, I'm gonna do the tree right now, like the lights, and then I can decorate. But at least the lights, the baby will be so excited. I just put Josie on YouTube, and yes, I want to put my wreath up. That'd be really cool too. So my wreath, these are my baby diapers for my new baby, because I wanted to, like I told you guys, organize the baby room this weekend. I can eat my chocolate. Should I eat baby's chocolate? No, that's not fair. I'll eat my Advent chocolate. And yes, so let's do the lights. We're gonna grab baby's stroller, like the smaller stroller, to go get his boots maybe. So I have really big boots, but he knows how to take them off. I'm thinking if I get those winter boots for like when I go to daycare and back. So not when he's playing outside, because I want him to wear like the Sorel ones for that. But I want to get him winter boots that tie up, that are shorter. So like obviously not for deep snow, but for when I'm just bringing him to daycare back and forth. And when I'm shopping and all that, because he literally will take off his big boots that he knows how to take off, because they're like just a like Velcro when I'm in his stroller, or when he's with me at the groceries, he'll take them off, and his socks. And then I have a barefooted baby in the store and I can't keep them on. He'll take them off nonstop. He might be able to do the same thing with the lace ones, so maybe that's gonna be a total waste, and I hate that because I don't buy like extra usually. Like I'll have like one pair of shoes and that fits with every outfit. I don't have like more than that, or a maximum 2. So I usually have like, I won't do like double pairs. Like I'll get what I need. I get capsule wardrobes. I don't get more clothes than what we need. And I try to do that. So I hope I'm not wasting, because if he's like able to take them off as well, because I know he can. I did the other day. I was so annoyed that he would take off his shoes, that I would just keep him in his daycare running shoes that are like Velcro, but he also knows how to kick them off. But I feel like a little booty that's tied all the way to like the ankle and a little bit above with like laces, like little Timberland style boots, won't he not be able to take that off? Like it's much more work, right? Like my Sorel, I can't slip them off, but my shoes I can kick them off. And my Sorel that have laces, and his Sorel is just a snap. So like I like a snap, a little Velcro, so obviously that's easier to take off. Okay, enough rambling. Let's do the tree. I have to go get him afterwards, so we can then go to the shops, see for little booties, and have fun with that. And then we're gonna come home, have some quiche and some broccoli, and then it's gonna be bedtime routine for Baba. I'm eating my partner's chocolate. I feel like he ate mine, because I said we would share calendars, because I bought him the big one of Lindt I didn't realize that I got him like the bigger one, and I got like the kid one, which is all small ones. And like he has like I just took day 8 and 9, 7 and 8, because I'm like, why are they there? And they're like the big square, and I know, so that I know it's the big one. He didn't even eat, see, he didn't even eat 6, 11, dude, you're behind, 9. He must have been eating mine, because I feel like I didn't have mine every day. He's just behind. I'm helping him out, okay? He won't know unless he watches this. But he has to get back on track. And then I said we would share ours, because he has the big ones and I want big ones sometimes. So that's what I'm doing. But I just ate all of mine, so you can't share mine, but I'm gonna share yours, okay? Okay, listen. It's looking pretty good. I usually leave my partner or my mom would always like do the lights. I feel like it doesn't look good on camera, but in person, I love it. Like the lights are exactly where I want them, but on my camera, it's not looking like that. Let me show you. No, I feel like it's perfect. Oh no, it's like, it looks like it was lit. Like, you know when you buy them lit? I'm very proud of this. I'm gonna ask my partner if he likes it, because then I wanted to maybe add color, but I don't think I want to add the color anymore. And then before I add all the ornaments, which I want to do with my family, I'm gonna make sure that I add the bits I have that are like, I got like, what are they called? Like fake plants. I wanted to add those in there. Maybe this guirlande, garland. And we have to go get babies now. So I'll do more decorating later. I'll send this to my partner, see what he thinks. I love it. Wait, so we wanted to see before I left though for the wreath. If we are good like this. This is what I wanted in the tree, but I'm so confused. Can these fit in the tree? And this for the wreath. I want to add this to the wreath. Okay, we'll do this. Why is there only 2? I feel like I got millions. Let's see if it looks weird. No. It will look cool in this though. Actually, so essentially I think I got these for this. Look how cool that looks. Right? It looks cool in person, whatever. Why is the light flashing? It's flashing, right? Oh shoot, what is that? It's snowing again so much. I need to get a shovel. I feel like we should have one, but I don't know where it is. Oh la la. I'm going in a mall, so I put on running shoes, but there's snow up to my ankles, so I'm silly. Okay, so that was so smart to go home, recoup, chillax, 2 seconds. That was super smart, and now I'm just like full of energy, excited to go get my baby and go do some errands with him. So yeah, I'm proud of my decision. Let's go get the baby and go get some. I also need mittens, so I'm glad I'm going to the store because I need mittens for him because I had everything ordered and he's huge. My baby's huge. The sizing is like so off from online, so I have to go in person, and I want to get him he has a hat that covers everything, but I want to get a hat and a thing that goes higher because it's going to get colder and colder. So he has one that's like covers and he just has his face showing. That's not enough. So yeah, that's so fun, my rambling, right? No, it's not. So remember to create, like I created a half hour for myself in this, and I did my lights and I posted shorts on YouTube and my vlog that I'm going to actually share right now. And I feel great. So remember to create those micro moments for yourself and to choose these moments for yourself and create them and respect yourself and set boundaries. So we're having dinner. Happy. So we're having dinner. We just spoke to his papa and I'm tired. I'm like, there's so much stuff to do and I can't do all of it. And I keep saying, but I didn't realize how quick Christmas was coming. Even though I'm doing a countdown here, I should know. I'm like, I have time. I'm so optimistic with that. I always do that. I'm like, oh, I have so much time. I'm good. And then I get to the date and I'm like, oh shit, I don't have time. Don't do that. Be prepared, people. Muffin? So we went to get baby little boots. We found his mittens that I need to buy. No. And then we're gonna go for our bedtime routine. He's gonna go down. I'm gonna rest. And if I have a second wind, that sometimes happens, we'll do some more cleaning and decorating. And if not, it'll have to happen tomorrow. What do you want? So we went from a beautiful, happy morning to like I'm dead and I'm annoyed and I'm tired and I can't deal with any of it anymore. The baby had such a fuss. What time is it? I hope he goes down. He had such a fuss. I've never seen him like that. Maybe I put him down too late, but it's like not that late after his bedtime. Full blown tantrum. I've never had that before. This read this time, so I'm like, this is so odd. So hopefully he goes down, and I'm going down. I'm like, looking at my kitchen, looking at my house, and I'm like, fuck this. I can't do this. I don't want to do this, and I will not do it. Thanks for watching. I'm keeping it real, and I will see you for tomorrow's Vlogmas.